Hey everybody, it's Miss Samantha and welcome back to Veggie Time at Home. This week we're going to be talking about sometimes foods. A quick reminder that sometimes foods are foods that taste great, that make us feel good in the moment, and they're awesome to have every so often as a treat. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite sometimes foods called Raggedy Robins. Okay, so Raggedy Robins are a chocolate no-bake cookie and they have 6 ingredients. So today we're going to need butter, sugar, peanut butter, milk, cocoa powder, and oats. We're also going to be using a saucepan and we're going to want a cookie sheet with some parchment paper so that we can let the cookies cool. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is put a half a cup of butter into our saucepan. Then we're going to add 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a half cup of milk, 2 cups of sugar, and we're going to heat it up. So now that everything is in the saucepan, we are going to heat it up and bring it to a boil. Okay, so our butter is pretty much melted down and we've got everything on medium-high heat. So as this starts to boil, we're going to keep an eye on it and keep an eye on the clock. You want the mixture to boil for about 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes. Alright, so it's boiled down and now we're going to take it off the stove. Now we've got to move quick. We're going to add in 3 cups of oats and a half cup of peanut butter to the hot chocolate and sugar mixture. And we've got to go quickly because we don't want anything to cool down and harden. So now that we've got our oats and peanut butter in the pot, we're going to mix everything together. You are going to get out some 2 spoons, preferably on the bigger side, and this is when our cookie sheet with the parchment paper is going to come in handy. We're going to take our spoons and we're going to spoon little balls of this mixture onto our parchment paper cookie sheet. This is what our mixture looks like before it's going to harden. So we've got our 2 spoons, it's time to scoop. Okay, so now that we've got all of our cookies on the sheet, we're gonna let them cool probably about 15-20 minutes until they kind of start to lose a little bit of their shine and really seem to harden up. The Raggedy Robins are nice and cooled down and they're ready to eat. This recipe makes a little over 2 dozen cookies, so probably about 30 cookies. So be ready to share with your friends and family and enjoy. Cheers!